Did you just play some light jazz?
Because they could come out within a minute or two.
Okay.
Sometimes I haven't even gotten in the car yet with my student, and they're already coming up to the car. It's like, okay, just let me set her up. Just give me 1 second, you know? So get ready to go. And then they're going to do a circle check. Make sure that everything is okay for your car, like the lights and everything is working. No cracks in the windshields.
Did you just play some light jazz?
I don't think you're going to have an issue with that. You're telling me it's a Cadillac, so I'm sure your parents take good care of that, right?
My mom doesn't have a crack.
Yeah, okay, good.
Did you just play some light jazz?
So you'll be good to go. She's going to get in, the examiner, and they'll give you the canned speech that they repeat all day long for everybody, so they have it memorized. It kind of sounds like very clinical, right? You're just kind of monotone. And basically it entails, you know, do you wear any corrective lenses? Do you have any medical conditions? Please follow the rules of the road and obey the traffic signs, speed signs.
You went all the way down there?
Yeah, all the way down to the end of the building.
Okay. We're starting this?
Sure, we could start now.
Okay.
And we should be back here by about 4:15.
Did you just play some light jazz?